Pikachu here, and in this video I will be showing you some fireworks, which is pretty nice. So once again, if this cuts off at any time, because it probably will, which it just did. Oh, and the bonfire is roaring now. That's a golden opportunity to end the video a minute ago. So I'm going to be here joined by Tony. You can't really see him, and my dad. Say hi again. Yep, there we go.
Look, wait, you can see me now. Hey.
There's Toby. And by the way, guys, leave in the comments what your favourite thing was. If it's a firework or is it the bonfire? Bonfire? Bonfire.
Mine's probably the firework.
Yeah.
Like the bonfire is cool.
And if it is the fireworks, then what is your favourite firework?
And even if it wasn't the firework, then leave in the comments what firework was your favourite.
Yeah.
I like the big crackling one.
Wait, can you hold it while I put my drink away?
Well, I'm just putting my drink away.
Tell them about the mud.
Yeah, it's really muddy.
So where's the torch?
In my pocket.
I've got this one.
No, the other one. Where is...
Whoa!
Do you want me to get it? I'll get it.
Got it. Look, I know, I'm watching. Look at the mud. So yeah, I can hold it again. There's some really nice fireworks, guys. Whoa, there's a clear shot of the bonfire.
Sorry, on the way.
There's more fireworks going on. Oh, nice. I like these ones.
I know. Like
And guys, if these...
I don't like them as mud because they don't make a bang. Ooh.
And they're nice and peaceful. Now, guys, if this cuts off at any random time, please don't blame me. It's my phone's memory. It's absolutely rubbish. But I'll try and get it fixed with a... Yeah. Your dad just got really close. Oh my god!
If you go up there, you can have a good look at that fire.
Guys, I'm going to cut ahead to when we are... Guys, we're back and... Oh my god. I smell candy floss. Yeah, sorry if I'm not really talking much, guys. I'm just so interested.
And there's not much to say.
I know, it's just... Whoa. I like these ones.
I know. They sound like rockets. Ooh. I like the ones that make things fast.
Oh my god, I'm fighting the life.
I love them ones.
Where'd that bang go off there? Oh god, I'm using up my meg really fast. Guys, at 5 minutes I'm going to end this video. Right. Guys, when this cuts out, pretend I said bye, please. Oh. Like, please pretend I said bye, guys, please.
No, wait, bye for the future.
Yeah, bye for the future. Because now I'm just going to let the fireworks do what they got to do. So when this cuts off, pretend I said bye. And
Bye.
we are not going to be speaking anymore. Bye.
There's nothing, just go on the bonfire at the moment. Because there's no fireworks. Freaking cool.
Bye. No, wait. No. Yeah.
Oh, no.
Hopefully not.
Just wait and see.
The last shots of this video are going to be on the bonfire.
Bye.
Alright, yeah, so this is the end of the video, and I will see you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.